Okay, guys, so, like, I got up, I looked out the window, and it's raining. It hasn't rained where I am in almost, maybe, it stopped raining in, I think, June or July. So, let's see, June, July, August, September. It hasn't rained in either 3 or 4 months, and that's a long time. So let's just gonna make a video and title it celebrating rain or something, because it hasn't rained here in like 3 or 4 months, maybe even longer than that, maybe even 5 months. But yeah, guys, it's just, wow, it's finally raining. I have been begging, full on begging for rain, and here we are. Oh my goodness. And my phone is full on covered in raindrops. So that's how you know that it's good rain and not I guess weak rain that is only drizzling. No, this is kind of full on rain, but not really full on rain. But it's better than nothing. I really want a full shower, but it's not gonna be a full shower, sadly. But oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I am so happy that it's raining. I'm